potatoes, rice, pasta. Hello guys, today making couscous with mixed vegetables and fish. I've just seasoned my fish, so here I've got the fish. I season it with some salt, all-purpose jumbo, one Maggi cube, and some black pepper. I got my vegetable out of the freezer. Use any kind of vegetable you have. For this time I've got green beans and carrots frozen, and here I chopped some red onion. I've got some spring onion here and some parsley, and obviously we're gonna eat it with couscous. If you're tired of eating potatoes, rice, pasta, this is a very good alternative. Very easy to cook and yummy. So the only thing I've got left here is to add some seasoning to this fish and some homemade seasoning. You know I do make this. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do here. Add this to my fish, let it rest for a few minutes, and then start the cooking process. I'm gonna put 2 spoons of that seasoning. So basic into that seasoning I've got garlic, ginger, red onion, white onion, and some spring onion. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add the coriander creaming. Very good to the fish, especially when you're cooking with the couscous. And then I'm gonna mix the whole lot together. That's it. Everything is prepped. We're just gonna leave this fish to marinate in the seasoning for a few minutes, and then we'll start cooking. This is the kind of pots you want if you want to get the taste that you're looking for. See those ones? I cut them in half for the kids. My small pan on for the couscous, and I've got this for the sauce.
Take me on a spree. I wanna get to know me, every little inch of me. Gentle while you stroke, you picture me, every number count the token. Where did all the swallows fly? Was 17, caught up in a dream that became a nightmare. I said it doesn't matter now, but it defeats me. Shackles around one's feet is not for me. Oh, hurry with the kisses, your lips and the bomb. Every number counts, love token. Where did all the swallows fly when I was 17? Caught up in a dream that became a nightmare.
sleep. Yes, I'm
Last
sorry.
night I had a dream of us coming together. Last night in my dream I saw unity. I had a taste of democracy, and I felt safe.